Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world and has revolutionized the way we buy and sell products. With its widespread reach and millions of customers, Amazon provides ample opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn a substantial income. In this article, we will discuss the top 10 ways to make money from Amazon. Selling products on Amazon. One of the simplest and most straightforward ways to make money on Amazon is by selling products. All you need to do is find a product to sell, create a listing, and start receiving orders. Amazon provides a number of tools and resources to help you in this process, including Amazon Marketplace, Amazon Fulfillment, and Amazon Advertising. You can also use Amazon's advertising services to increase visibility and drive sales. Amazon Affiliate Program. The Amazon Affiliate Program is a referral program that pays you a commission for each sale that is made through your referral link. This program is perfect for bloggers, website owners, and influencers who have a large following on social media or a large website audience. All you need to do is sign up for the program, promote Amazon products on your website or social media, and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Selling private label products. Private label products are products that are manufactured by a company but are sold under a brand name owned by another company. Selling private label products on Amazon is a lucrative business model that can earn you a significant income. Amazon Handmade. Amazon Handmade is a platform that allows artisans and craftspeople to sell their handmade products directly to Amazon customers. If you have a talent for crafting unique and high-quality products, Amazon Handmade is an excellent platform for selling your products and reaching a large audience. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a marketplace for small tasks that can be completed by human workers. This platform is perfect for people who are looking to make a little extra cash by completing small tasks. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a platform that allows authors to publish and sell their ebooks directly to Amazon customers. Selling used books. If you have a collection of used books that you no longer need, you can sell them on Amazon and earn money from their sale. Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing platform that provides a wide range of services, including storage, computing, and databases. If you have expertise in this field, you can offer your services to businesses and earn money by helping them to use Amazon Web Services to their advantage. Amazon Trade-in Program. The Amazon Trade-in Program allows you to trade in used or unwanted items for Amazon gift cards. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon, goodbye.